Hi children, how are you all? I hope you are all fine. Okay, today we are going to learn about parts of the body. What we are going to learn today? Parts of the body. Everybody knows the name of the parts of your body in your own language. உங்க லாங்குவேஜ்ல உங்க தமிழ்ல நீங்க என்ன கண்ணு மூக்கு வாயின்னு எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு சொல்ல தெரியும். But I am going to teach you in each and every name of the parts in English. Are you ready? Okay. First, I am going to show you all the parts of the body with action. We can touch the parts and I'll tell the name to you. Okay, you can repeat it loudly. Okay, are you ready? Yes. Keep your hands like this. This is a head. What is this? This is a head. This is forehead. உங்க நெற்றி இருக்கு இல்லையா அதுதான் forehead. This is forehead. These are eyes. What are these? These are eyes. This is a nose. This is a nose. These are ears. These are ears. This is a mouth. This is a mouth. These are teeth. These are teeth. This is a tongue. This is a tongue. These are cheek. These are cheek. This is a chin. This is a chin. These are hands. These are hands. These are fingers. These are fingers. This is a arm. This is arm. This is elbow. What is this? This is elbow. This is a shoulder. This is a shoulder. This is chest. This is chest. This is stomach. This is stomach. This is hip. This is hip. These are legs. These are legs. These are toes. These are toes. These are hair. These are hair. Okay. Now I am going to teach you the parts of the body through this picture. I am going to show you the flashcard. You have to recognize the name of the parts. Okay, are you ready? Okay, what is the first picture here? Head. What is this? Head. What is this? Head. The head means it covers all throughout the area. Okay, hair, forehead, eyebrows, eyes, eyelids, nose, mouth, teeth, tongue, ears, cheek, chin. Everything is fully covered under the head. Okay, this is a head. What is this? This is a head. And what is the next picture? What is this? This is a neck. What is this? This is a neck. What is the next picture? What is this? The boy is showing his stomach. What is this? The boy is showing the stomach. Big stomach. Okay? Stomach. Show your stomach now. Yes, that is stomach. But you have to exercise daily. Then only you become very fit and strong. Otherwise you will get a big stomach like this. Okay? Because everybody are staying in your home, eating and sleeping. You are not doing any work at home. So you will get a big stomach like this. Always eat healthy food. Okay? Then only you become fit and strong and slim. Then what is this? Hair. What is this? Hair. Yes, these are hair. Boys are having short hair and the girls are having long hair. Then what are these? These are eyes. What are these? These are eyes. See, this is eyebrow. These are eyes. And these are eyelashes. What is this? These are eyelashes. Then what are these? These are ears. What are these? These are ears. These are ears. And what is this? Nose. This is a nose. This is a nose. This is a nose. And what is this? This is lips. What is this? This is lips. Always the girls are applying lipstick on her lips. And then we lick a ice cream. Then the next picture. Tongue. What is this? Tongue. What is this? Tongue. Everybody loves ice cream, isn't it? How will we eat the ice cream? We lick and taste the ice cream with the help of this tongue only. Then what are these? These are teeth. These are teeth. These are teeth. Then what are these? These are hands. These are hands. These are hands. These are feet. Feet means நம்மளுடைய பாதம். அது ரொம்ப சாஃப்டா இருக்கும். Okay? ஏன்னா always 24 hours more than 18 to 12 hours we are wearing sandals, chappals or shoes. ரொம்ப rare inside the house only we are not wearing slippers. So it ரொம்ப அது சாஃப்டா இருக்கும். Feet. What are these? These are feet. And these are toes. These are toes. What is these? These are fingers. What are these? These are fingers. What are these? These are fingers. What is this? Thumb finger. What is this? Thumb finger. Thumb finger. Okay. Now everybody know the names of all the parts of the body. Now I am going to teach you what are the uses of the parts of the body. Okay? Eyes. What are the use of eyes? We have two eyes. Okay, two eyes. How many eyes do we have? We have two eyes. What are the use of eyes? Without eyes, we can't see anything in our world, anything around the place. So eyes are very important for each and every person. So we should take care of our eyes. Don't watch TV or cartoons or mobiles long time. Okay? You can watch cartoons but a limited period of time. At least for 20 to half an hour you can watch. But not continuously more than 2 hours. Okay? It will damage your eyes. So you have to protect your eyes. Because without eyes we can't see anything. Okay? These are the important things in your eyes. Then if you eat lot of carrots, spinach like that, your eyes will become so bright. Okay? Always eat healthy vegetables and fruits. Then what are these? These are ears. What are these? These are ears. Ears. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. How many ears do we have? We have 2 ears. What are the uses of ears? What are the uses of ears? Ears are very important to hear the sound. If anybody is talking with you, if you want to listen the song, ears are very important for everyone. Without ears, we can't hear any sound. Bird sounds, animal sounds, watching TV the sounds, hearing songs. So know the sound we can hear. So you should always protect your ears. How to protect your ears? Don't put anything on your ears. Use buds to clean your inside dust. Don't use any other hairpins or whatever things. Okay, always you should clean your ears with the help of the buds only. Okay, don't put anything ears. Then what is this? This is a nose. What is this? This is a nose. How many nose do we have? We have a nose. We have a nose. What is the uses of nose? Nose are very important. because without the nose we can't breathe. We have two inhales, two nostrils here. Okay, everybody, each and every one of you having two nostrils. In the nostrils valiyaga we are breathing in and out. We are getting good smell and bad smell with the help of the nose only. So mummy is making any good food in the kitchen. Mummy, nice smell. What are you preparing for the dinner? What are you preparing for the lunch? You are making sweets. Nice smell is coming. Nice flavor is coming. Nice scent, perfume. Somebody is using perfume. You can smell the perfume smell. Nice smell. Okay. Then what are the bad smells? When you go near to the dustbins, when you go near to the garbages, when you go near to the drainage, then you can get a bad smell. When you go near to the restroom, toilets like that, you will get a bad smell. Okay, with the help of the nose only, we are getting good smell and then the bad smell. So, always you should clean your mouth, nose. Then, this is, what is this? This is tongue. What is this? This is tongue. Tongue is the very important one of the organs in your body, because daily we are eating at least 3 times or 4 times or 5 times we are eating snacks also. All kind of tastes we are feeling with the help of the tongue only. So there are 6 kind of tastes are there. Sweet, bitter, salt, sour, everything we are tasting with the help of the tongue only. If you eat sweet gulab jamun like that, how do you feel? You feel very happy because it will sweet. The taste will be very sweet. Inippa. Then you will put a salt in your mouth. Or ஊர்கா அது நீங்க வெச்சீங்கன்னா எப்படி இருக்கும்? Salty இருக்கும். It will taste salty. உப்பு கரிக்கும் சொல்வீங்க. Then புளிப்பு, sour. If you eat lemon rice or tamarind or lemon, if you taste like that, you will get sour taste, புளிப்பு. Then bitter. If you eat bitter and bitter gourd mummy வந்து கறி பண்ணுவாங்க இல்லையா, chops. அது சாப்பிட்டீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு ஒரு bitter taste, கசப்பு இருக்கும். வேப்பிலை அந்த மாதிரிலாம். So you will get all kind of taste with the help of the tongue only. Without the tongue you can't taste anything. Okay, so tongue is very important. Always eat your food without warm cooking la neenga saapidunga. Don't eat hot, don't eat in a hurry. Okay, then what are these? These are teeth. What are these? These are teeth. Teeth are very important for each and every person, because when you are eating such a hard food like meat, snacks like that, you need teeth. Your teeth will come, your teeth have to be very strong. Then only you can chew your food with the help of the teeth. When you are eating meat, you should put it inside and chewing like that. And smash panni, then only we have to swallow it. அது டைரக்டா போட்டனே நம்ம அப்படி சாப்பிட முடியாது. ஓகே, teeth are very important. You have to swallow the food. அதை swallow பண்ணி chew பண்ணி நல்லா அதை மெல்ட் பண்ணி ஒரு ஸ்மாஷிங் பேஸ்ல கொண்டு வந்ததுக்கு அப்புறமா தான் நம்மளால என்ன பண்ண முடியும், அதை swallow பண்ண முடியும். So teeth are very important. So how to become your strong teeth? ஒரு ஸ்ட்ராங்கா இருக்குது. Always you should brush your teeth in the morning and at the night also. When in the morning you wake up, the first thing you have to do is you should brush your teeth. Then only you have to eat your dinner or breakfast, coffee, biscuit, everything. So same way, after finishing your dinner, you go to the restroom, gargle your mouth and brush your teeth, and then only you have to go to bed. Then only in the mid of the night, germs don't spoil your teeth. Okay, so you should protect your teeth also. Then what are these? These are hands. What are these? These are hands. Hands are very important for us, because without hands we can't do any work in our life. We have to write, we have to read, we have to take the book, we have to lift the table, we have to move this move the things from one place to another place. For all the things you need So hands are very important. Okay, without the hands we can't do any work. Then what are these? These are legs. What are these? These are legs. Legs are also very important for each and every person, because we can't sit in a place more than 5 minutes, 10 minutes. We have to go there and go there, do that work, playing. We have to go to our neighbor's house. For all that we need legs. Because of the legs only, we are walking, we are running, we are moving, we are jumping, we are skipping, everything. So we need legs. Okay, now everybody know the uses of the all the parts. Okay, now you know the names of all the parts in your body, and you know the uses of all the parts in your body, and then now you become to know how to protect your all the parts of the body. Now I am going to sing the song for you. For parts of the body related, I am going to teach you one thing. Are you ready? Shall we sing the song now? Yes. All of you should stand up and do the action and sing. Okay. Then only you can remember the song. Okay. This is my head. This is my head. These are my eyes. These are my eyes. This is my nose. This is my nose. These are my ears. These are my ears. This is my mouth. This is my mouth. These are my cheek. These are my cheek. This is my tongue. This is my tongue. These are my teeth. These are my teeth. This is my neck. This is my neck. These are my hands. These are my hands. This is my chest. This is my chest. These are my fingers. These are my fingers. This is my stomach. This is my stomach. These are my legs. These are my legs. This is my body. This is my body. I am happy. I am happy. Did you all enjoy the rhymes? Shall we sing once again? Are you ready? Yes, we'll sing the song once again. Okay. Ready? This is my head. This is my head. These are my eyes. These are my eyes. This is my nose. This is my nose. These are my ears. These are my ears. This is my mouth. This is my mouth. These are my cheek. These are my cheek. This is my tongue. This is my tongue. These are my teeth. These are my teeth. This is my neck. This is my neck. These are my hands. These are my hands. This is my stomach. This is my stomach. These are my legs. These are my legs. This is my body. This is my body. I am happy. I am happy. Very good. All of you clap your hands for children. Yes, very good children you are. Okay. See the video and practice all the names of the parts and uses of the parts. Okay. Thank you so much. Bye.